Are you tired of grinding away every day with little to show for it? Imagine a life where your money works for you, where you can earn without spending countless hours on the job. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not just a dream, it's entirely possible? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you 5 genius ways to make money without working a lot. Are you ready to change your life? But here's the catch. Not everyone knows about these methods, and those who do are quietly building their wealth. So the question is, do you want to join them or stay stuck in the daily grind? First up, let's talk about passive income streams. What if you could make money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true? It's not. From rental properties to dividend stocks, there are multiple avenues where your money can work for you. But here's the twist. How do you set these up without a huge initial investment? Take Sarah, for example, a single mom who started with just $1,000 invested in dividend-paying stocks. Today, she earns enough to cover her monthly bills, all without lifting a finger. Her secret? Patience and consistency. Could you be the next Sarah? Next, digital products. Imagine creating something once and getting paid over and over again. Ebooks, online courses, printables, these are just a few examples. What's fascinating is that you don't need to be an expert to start. Meet John. He had zero experience but created a simple guide on budget travel. Within a year, that guide made him thousands of dollars in passive income. Now, he spends his time traveling the world without worrying about a paycheck. So what could you create? Let's dive into affiliate marketing, a method where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. Sounds simple, right? But what if I told you there's a strategy that could triple your earnings? Emma, a college student, started by promoting beauty products on her blog, but when she discovered the power of niche markets and targeted traffic, her income skyrocketed. Now, she makes more in a month than most do in a year, all by recommending products she loves. Could this be your path to financial freedom? Now, let's talk about royalties, getting paid repeatedly for something you created once. Whether it's a book, a song, or even a photograph, the opportunities are endless. Consider Mark, a music producer who created a catchy jingle for a small ad campaign. Little did he know that jingle would go viral. Now, every time it's played, Mark earns a royalty check, years after he composed it. What hidden talents do you have that could earn you royalties? Finally, investing in startups. This one's a bit of a gamble, but the rewards can be astronomical. Imagine getting in on the ground floor of the next big tech company. James did just that. He invested a small amount in a tech startup while everyone else was skeptical. Today, that small investment has turned into a substantial fortune. He no longer worries about financial security. He's achieved it. Is there a startup out there waiting for your investment? So there you have it. 5 genius ways to make money without working a lot. But remember, these methods aren't for the faint of heart. They require patience, creativity, and a willingness to take risks. But if you're ready to take control of your financial future, the rewards can be life-changing. Now, it's your turn. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful money-making tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your financial freedom starts now. Don't wait.